Hi everyone, this is Feroze Khan, and I remember posting on my Instagram about how I detox and de-stress myself. Today I've been sent a PR box, which I'm gonna see what it is. Thank you. So it says, detox your scalp and your mind. Head and shoulders. So we're gonna check out what this box has inside. Here is it. And I've got a hammer as well. So now I'm about to break it down and see what it has. I've got Head and Shoulders Charcoal Detox. Pretty cool. Guys, there's some more exciting things in the package. There's a silk bathrobe, there's a scented candle, bath salts, eye mask, and a pumice stone. Very much Head and Shoulders for this sweet gesture. We'll keep rocking together. Good luck. You can buy yours online now.